You do not have to buy butter or margarine that is already pre-softened. I bet you guys didn't know that. Dining on a Dime cookbook right here. Guys, I'm telling you, we have it all in here. Soft butter or margarine, page 415. Now, if you look on the back of the ingredients here, you will see the first ingredient is water. Why? Because it's mostly water. Now, this is so stinking simple, it's not even funny. It was $1.38, 4 sticks of margarine right there. In our cookbook, soft butter or margarine can be made with milk or the diet kind, which is with water. Now, what I did was I got my water super, super cold, and I'm using the water instead of milk in here. Okay, so my water is super, super cold. So I'm just gonna pour that in. Then here, oh, I hope my butter's, yeah, it should be soft enough. Okay, so now here we go. I'm breaking it up just so that it's easier to start with. If you're concerned with its flatting, there you go. Doesn't matter.
It's just funny that it's hiding.
Shoot. I'm like, what is happening? I used a cup instead of a half a cup. Hold on.
Water?
Yeah. Hold on. Okay, there.
Just put a half a cup out?
Yeah, I just poured half a cup out. Okay, now, instead of spending $7, can you believe she was spending $7 for that, dear? $7 on soft butter or margarine. She was buying the margarine. You have just spent $1.38 and not even 5 minutes worth of time. So, let's say you just saved yourself $5 for 5 minutes worth of work. How much is that an hour, dear, income she just made?
$5 for 5 minutes?
Yep.
$60 an hour.
$60 an hour.
Yep.
Just put it in your container. And if you just want to fake the family out, save the old container.